Hi there. Manually typing numbers in Excel breaks the moment you delete a row. Let's create a dynamic list that updates itself. Here is a sample items list. In the first cell, type sequence to generate a number list. COUNTA counts text in the range. -1 skips the header row. Pressing Enter will fill the dynamic serial number list. Now updating items will update the serial numbers automatically. That's how you create a dynamic number list in Excel. Try it out in your next spreadsheet.